Alright guys, my bike. It's a 2012 Eastern Reaper frame. I traded a 2013 Colt CC02 for it. Stock, I got a brand new in the box. ODI grips and bar ends. Shadow Voltus bars, raw. 9-inch rise, 30 width. Eastern, Fly Bikes, Potentia stem in purple. I think it's a 50 or 55 millimeter reach. Carbon headset spacers, the headset stock. Kink Foundation 32 millimeter forks. I got a Profile Mini hub laced to a Odyssey 7KA rim. There it is. With a Demolition Momentum 2.35 with titanium female bolts. The frame's a 20.5. I have Eastern crown pedals that came on it. Brand new, so I don't need new ones. I have Eastern Tribe cranks with a titanium spindle bolts on both sides with a band Budsaw sprocket, 25 tooth in purple. That's the Eastern letter seat with purple zebra fabric. Stock seat post. I have a Thermalite and a Shadow Crow that's usually on it, but for some reason it's not on it now. Some shitty chain, removable brake mounts, back rims, Odyssey Hazard Light, laced to a V3 hub, another Demolition Momentum 2.35, front and rear. Let's see, I have titanium sprocket bolt in purple. You can see that one's titanium as well. I just got a new frame. I'll do a video when that comes. Let you guys check it out. It's gonna be fucking sick. So, hope you guys like it. I like it. It's a very responsive frame. I'm selling the frame since I got a new one, so it's basically brand new. It's real responsive. So,